In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate your Shopify store. Maybe you paused your store for a while, or your billing expired and your shop was closed. The good news is that bringing it back online is usually very quick, as long as you still have access to your Shopify account and a valid payment method. I'll walk you through each step and explain what's happening along the way, so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your browser and go to the Shopify admin login page. Sign in with your usual store owner credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on a screen that shows your stores. If you manage more than one store, you'll see a list here. This page is essentially your dashboard of all Shopify stores linked to your account. From this list, click on the store that you want to reactivate. This should be the store that is currently inactive or paused. When you click it, Shopify will attempt to open that store's admin area. Because the store isn't active, Shopify will usually redirect you to a page that explains the status of the store and prompts you to choose how you want to proceed. On that page, look for the option that says Continue to Payment. In some cases, you might see an option to change plan instead. If you're happy with the plan you had before, choose Continue to Payment. If you want to upgrade or downgrade your subscription, choose Change Plan and select the plan that makes the most sense for your current needs. For example, if your sales are just starting to pick up again, you might stay on a basic plan for now and adjust later. After you've confirmed the plan, Shopify will take you to a checkout or subscription confirmation page. Here, click on Subscribe. Before you do, double-check your billing information and the billing frequency, such as monthly or yearly, to make sure everything is correct. If your payment details are out of date, update them now to avoid any issues. Once you click subscribe and the payment is successfully processed, Shopify will reactivate your store. This means your admin access is fully restored and your storefront will go live again for customers, assuming you haven't manually disabled your sales channels. It can be a good idea to quickly review your themes, apps, and inventory after reactivation, just to ensure everything looks the way you want before